Hi my lovely viewers, this is a world learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you unmarking Firefox data collection and use in install and run studies data in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, go to the three bar icons that I have been. Click here, enter the settings option and go to the privacy and security. Click here and scrolling in below side that we will get it very soon. See here the things, the Firefox data collection and use. So what have there have that we strive to provide you with choice and collect only what we need to provide and improve Firefox for everyone. We always ask permission before receiving personal information. So I have marked it before. Now I want to unmark and unselected these things according to my work. So see, I have unmarked. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.